A very good morning and a very warm welcome to the Zara Cricket Fiesta. We are talking to Sandeep De Silva, the CEO and founder of Mizzen Digital, a very young consultancy that is growing larger by the leaps and bounds. Wishing you a lot of success, Sandeep.
Thank you.
And we're very grateful and to have you with us. So Mizzen Digital is our title sponsor on the Zara Cricket Fiesta. And as you know, our cup is called the Mizzen Digital Premier Cup this year, and hope to keep it that way.
Yeah.
So moving on, Sandeep, what is your connection to cricket as Mizzen?
I think Mizzen Digital, we are avid cricket fans. A lot of the people who work at Mizzen do pursue cricket as a hobby and as a sport. And we personally feel that, being from the shipping industry, a lot of people can kind of resonate with cricket, especially the Indian subcontinent diaspora. They are very much happy with using cricket as a sport that brings them together. So that's why we like to sponsor any event with cricket.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's a good thought, and that connects. I think that connects Mizzen to not only the company but also to the individual. Yes. That you build a personal rapport and communicate better, and it's good all for everybody.
Absolutely. And what do you think about the Zara Cricket Fiesta?
So the way I look at it is that it's Monisha who brings in a lot of passion to make Izara big and great. You need to have a passionate founder, without which great things cannot happen. So Izara and Monisha are synonymous, and I think the event cannot be managed any better by anyone else than her. That's what I would like to say.
So one woman show.
Yes.
Yes, it is, but I have a lot of support. Nothing would be possible without anybody in here. It just doesn't happen. I can keep yelling.
No, but it's always the captain who tells the team.
Absolutely, yes. And I love that. I have billion teams. And you've just come in, so what do you think about this setup? Because I heard you say something to me about the ground, so could you share a
So
little
it's
bit?
quite scenic. It's quite different from the last time around. This seems more quieter, more chill. The weather itself is quite conducive for a game of cricket. And I think there's a lot of passion happening out here with all the cheering that we can see on this ground. People really giving it 100% and more, and making this very competitive going forward.